In this video, we will discuss about implementing linear and logistic regression in Python, and also discuss about code plus evaluation metrics, confusion matrix, accuracy, and RMSE, R square, and etc. Let's see the overview and how to use the code. This presentation includes runnable Python code for linear regression, logistic regression. The code uses scikit-learn and numpy to run locally. Install pip, install numpy, scikit-learn, pandas. The examples use synthetic databases or datasets so you can run them. As you can see, this is the visual representation of linear regression code. In this slide, you can see linear regression matrices and evolution. In this slide, you can see logistic regression code. In this slide, you can see logistic regression matrices and evolution. There are some notes, tips, and extensions. Replace synthetic data with your dataset pandas.read underscore CSV. Scale features when needed. Standard scalar for models like logistic regression. For multi-class classification, adapt matrices. You can compute training versus and test matrices to check overfitting or underfitting. To compute loss for linear regression during training, track MSE on validation set.